Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the Catalyst Impact Protected Apple Watch 44mm case. This is for Series 4 and Series 5. So if you're getting a less expensive Apple Watch these days, you can use this. This probably will work for the Apple Watch SE that just came out as well. This provides 9.9 feet of drop-proof protection, has an impact truss as you can see here, and it's only 23 grams. It's very light. So we'll get inside some details. You can pause this video at any time and take a look at the details. But it has a breathable hypoallergenic sport band. The watch band is integrated into the case, and we'll show you that in just a second, with a dual layer protection. Okay, then we'll go on the back of the box real quick. Here's some more details. Probably about the same, but you get the gist. You can pause anytime. Okay. So here's the actual case. So this is what it looks like on the wrist. Again, this is for the Apple Watch Series 4 and 5, and probably the SE will also work. This is 44mm, so you can see this impact truss here, and the dual layer protection. Here's protection for this side of the Apple Watch, and for this side as well. Of course, the crown comes through because you need to be able to spin it. But you have dual protection on the front and the sides, and you can drop this from 9.9 feet. That's a little too high. I wouldn't want to drop it, any Apple Watch, on the ground. But if you happen to lose it just for a second, this will probably help it from breaking. And as you can tell, it has a raised lip here around the top of the glass area. This is fully touchable. There's nothing covering the glass, but there is a lip around it, so if it lands face down, this is going to protect it. This is from Catalyst, and it has hypoallergenic breathable material. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.